Hey guys, before we start, make sure you have subscribed. And trust me, this little tricks really improves your YouTube experience. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube language and location. Now open your YouTube app and now tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. And now click on settings and now tap on general. And now you will gonna see an option called location. Just click on that. The location will help you to change your region of video you want to see. For me, I'm going to select, uh, let's select India. And now just go back and refresh your feed, and now you will gonna see all the videos that are available in the Indian content. This will update your feed and recommendation that will match what you actually want to see. And trust me, it's a small change, but it makes a big difference. And that's it, guys. Quick, simple, and your YouTube feed is now personalized. If this video helped, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more handy YouTube tips. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.